Welcome to our channel. Today I would like to demonstrate the correct assembling of the seals on the piston and its correct installation inside the vertical pump. Put the aluminium protectors on the vise. You will need a repair seals kit of the corresponding size of the pump, which is the same for both iso and polyol. Fix the piston firmly in the vise. First of all, put on the metal washer. Next, fit the rubber O-ring and grease it well with the grease that you use for the gun. Take the aluminium bushing and put on the seal and the plastic guide as shown on the video. Put the bushing assembly on the rod and fit the second metal washer on top of that. Tighten the self-locking nut firmly using the spanner 17. And the piston is ready. Finally, fix the pump body in the vise. Apply some grease on the seals and insert the piston using a mallet. I hope you have enjoyed our new video. Please follow us in our social media.